Hey YouTube, just making a quick little video to show you something I made in Kerbal Space Program in the newest update. So, I call it the Kube, just for a very basic launch system. You're looking at 290 parts, and at least 250 of those are just in the craft itself. But then I've got these little boosters just for demonstration. So, what is this exactly? Here, one second, let me zoom out. It is a cube, like the name suggests. And inside of this cube, we've got everything that we need for maneuvering in orbit. So once you get it to orbit, you can have this nice closed-in cube that looks kind of interesting and is maneuverable. It's got ion engines inside. It's got the radiothermal, I think that's how you say it. Radioisotope, I guess. Thermoelectric generators. So no solar required, no sun needed. We've got some RCS tanks right here. Additionally, there's a bigger one at the bottom. And, of course, our RCS valves. And it does quickly run out of battery power, but the whole point is you get lined up, you do a burn, run out of power, and repeat until you're where you want. So, let's check out how it launches. So first I'm just going to demo how it survives a crash from a little over 100 feet. I'm not 100 feet. We'll just get it up a ways. So, we'll drop it from here. It's pretty high up, 300 plus meters. And, fortunately this tanks are going to blow up, but as you can see it smashes into the ground. It's pretty busted up, but these metal struts are strong. I've dropped one of these from thousands of meters and it gets smashed, but since the actual center of the ship is right here and it's hanging from the top, all of this top structure has to break, all of the posts that are holding it up, before it can actually smack into the ground. And I'm sure the G-forces are just insane, but it stays together, and you can, I guess, crash it without parachutes. But I have stuck some parachutes inside just to make it, I guess, a little more reusable. So I'll thrust up, and as you can see, I guess I'd have to watch the gimbals to show it correctly, but RCS, whenever we're moving around in here, it's able to maneuver us. Here, I'll break these off and then I'll spin this. So as you can see, it's got a lot of mass to it, so it takes quite a bit to make it do a full turn. But when you're in orbit, it shouldn't be that bad. So I'll pop the parachutes now. Oop. Yep, that was way too sudden. I forgot about my staging. But what that actually did is it ripped the whole top out from the top of the ship. Actually, I don't really know what that did, other than breaking everything. So it seems it's more survivable if we actually just let it smash into the ground. So maybe I've got some work to do with parachute placement. Maybe move them to the bottom more. Otherwise, just wanted to make this quick video to show this off, and I will put a craft file on Reddit, on Kerbal Space Program. So you can download it and mess around with it. I'm sure you can build a better one. This is pretty ugly, and it works, but not that well. So I'll speed up time here and slow it back down. So we're hitting the ground at 9.6 meters per second, and it stays in one piece, you know, other than a few little things right there, but for the most part it's not shattered, and that's what we're going for. So, somewhat reusable, interesting looking space cube. Thanks for watching.